In this video, I will show you how you can add videos, images, text or smileys to the tasks. You should make them as inspiring, motivating and educating as possible. Let's first look at how you can add a video to a task. Of course, you can add the task to your goal templates when you build your program, but you can also add a video directly to your client's ongoing task, which we do in this video. I can go and edit one of the goals, and I can edit or add a new task, and then I will embed a video into the task, and it will appear immediately on the client's phone. Adding a video or any element happens using a special syntax, which I will show you later. First you need to add a square bracket and then give it a name and then a parenthesis, and to embed the URL of the video into the parenthesis. I have my phone connected to computer to simulate the app, so when you save the goal, they will get a notification and the video is available immediately. Now we will go to YouTube and search any video, and then you click the share button of any video and you copy the link and put it inside the parenthesis, and it's done. For example, you want them to watch the whole lecture series of Introduction to Human Behavioral Biology. You can just search the link, click the share button, copy the link and add it to the task. Not going into the details how YouTube works exactly, but you can set your videos to be seen by everybody or just the ones who know the link, or if you want to have them totally private, only the people who are logged in with their specific email can watch the video. And remember, here we're directly editing a ongoing plan of a client. You will probably add videos and inspiring content to your plan, not directly into your customers' ongoing goals. And here, when your client has watched the video, they will click the task as done and it won't appear again. If they choose to watch it many times, they can click the repeat. How to do this exactly, you will find from the documentation section, bottom left corner, and you will see the exact syntax or anything what's possible. There's also the link to the full syntax support, so it will show you all available options, what you can do to make it inspiring content for your clients. Adding the video is exactly as adding a link, as you can see here. So it's the square brackets, video text, and then parentheses goes the embedded link of the video. And remember, of course, you need to upload the video first to YouTube before you can embed it. So if you forgot exactly how to add a video, you can just copy the link syntax and then paste it into your plan and change the link. There are not much restrictions how much text, audio, videos or emojis you want to add to a task, so you can be as creative as you want.